Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Windows build and having admin rights. This matters because repair commands need privilege. Open Settings Update and Security, install pending updates, and restart if required. Once done, close the Snipping Tool and any screenshot utilities so files aren't locked. Then, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt. You'll run verification and repair commands next. Make sure you have a backup of critical settings or custom stamps before altering system apps to avoid losing them. You'll run SFC first. Open Elevated Prompt and type sfc/scano. This finds and replaces corrupted system files. After SFC completes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the component store. This helps when SFC cannot retrieve good copies. Once those finish, re-register Snipping Tool, launch Elevated PowerShell, and use the apps package re-register command for the Snipping Tool package. This restores missing app registrations. If you see errors, note exact messages. After repairs, reboot and test the Snipping Tool and any shortcuts like Win+Shift+S. Verify you can capture, save, and annotate. If issues persist, use apps and features to reset the app, which clears its data and often resolves stubborn errors. Once reset, retest immediately. If still failing, install a trusted third-party snip utility or roll back to a system restore point made before the issue. Troubleshooting tip: if commands fail, copy exact error text and run Windows Update again before repeating repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.